Hey guys, Stacy and Jude here, and
welcome back to another travel vlog.
So we're currently here at Mactan Cebu International Airport because
Yes,
we're traveling to
Japan.
Yay! I'm so excited, guys. It will be my first time, and
I've been to Japan for how many times already, but yeah, this is going to be our first time together, so this is going to be an exciting trip. And I really do hope that we are not gonna be lost in Japan because as what we know, guys, or as what we searched in the internet, it's really confusing, or it's quite confusing, the train station there. So it's going to be a bit challenge to us since this is going to be our first time there. So yeah.
and it's currently 1:25 a.m. and
Yeah.
our flight, guys, is at 2:25 a.m. So we're just waiting for our boarding. So yeah.
So the first thing that we did, guys, after checking in and leaving our luggages is to activate our eSIM, and also we set up our e-travel for Japan, I think. No?
Yeah, it's from the Japan website, guys. By the way, I booked our eSIM, guys, from
Plan B
Plan B
eSIM.
eSIM, and we got the 20 gig for 30 days.
Yeah. So each of us, guys, has 20 gig for 30 days, right?
Yeah. If you're also planning to go to Japan, so I will just put the link in the description box so that you can check it out.
Yeah. And also, guys, apart from that, we also filled up and registered our Japan travel website, right? So we visited a website, guys, and that's called Japan Travel website, I think.
Japan Web Travel.
Yeah, Japan Web Travel. It's
Yeah,
like e-travel here in the Philippines.
So that's where you will declare your health declaration, your customs or immigration declaration or clearance. So you need to set it up, guys.
Yeah, because it's quite long, guys, and it's also 16 pages, I think, in the website, right? So if you are going to fill that one up in Japan, it's going to consume your time. So we suggest that you fill that one up if you're here in the airport already.
Or even before, 2 days before, like 72 hours, I think.
Yeah, 72 hours before. Just like here in the Philippines, like the e-gov or the e-travel, yeah, 72 hours before your departure. You must fill that one up so you will be ready when you arrive in Japan. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Follow us in this adventure and let's go! Thank you. Alright guys, can't wait to be in Japan again. Let's go, guys. What's great, guys, is we woke up with a view of Mount Fuji, and if you are going to book your ticket or plane ticket, we highly recommend that you choose the ones on the left side or the left side of the seat, because yeah, you will be able to see Mount Fuji.
To Narita International Airport in Japan.
Touchdown, guys, Japan. And it feels cold already, guys. It's 10 degrees right now. So yeah, let's go. Let's claim our baggage first. That's the first task in this arrival video. Feels so good to be back here in Japan, guys. I've actually been here in this country before when I was still working as a seafarer, and right now, yeah, it really feels good to be back. And especially I'm traveling with my wife, so yeah, that should be special. Welcome to Japan, Charmander. We are greeted by Pokemons already, guys. Let's go to that Pokemon Center.
If you have not yet filled out, the form is not completed.
So we just passed by through immigration, guys, and we already claimed our luggage. So we have a total of 2 large luggage and 1 small.
Alright, guys, we're currently here at the ATM and we are going to withdraw some Japanese yen, right? From our card, or what do you call that one? That's a Gcash card, right? So yeah, we're gonna be withdrawing here. So let's hope that this is going to work since we are still trying to figure out how to withdraw a money here or withdraw money from the ATM. So let's go.
Are you sure you have everything?
So I withdraw 50,000.
Alright guys, so we just finished grabbing some tickets for the bus, and we are now here at the 6th
Bus station.
Bus station, yeah. So we're just waiting for the bus to arrive, and we have already surrendered our luggages, and yeah.
So we'll be riding the low-cost bus, guys. That costs 1,500 yen per person.
So how much would that be in
I think mga
peso?
495 pesos.
495. Thank you.
Tokyo Station, and we found a coin locker here, guys. So we're planning to just drop our luggage or leave our luggage here so that we can go to some other places, guys, because our Shinkansen ride will be at 3 PM. So meron pa kaming time, guys.
Lesson learned namin, guys, hindi kami nakapag-secure kaagad ng IC card kasi nalito kami kung paano namin i-top up yung sa wallet or sa Apple Wallet na application sa iPhones namin. So ayun, yung decision namin, guys, is bibili na lang kami ng IC card mismo dito sa Tokyo Station para magamit namin siya sa train stations, sa vending machines, and dito lalo-lalo na sa mga lockers kasi, guys, sobrang laki ng mga maleta namin, guys. Kailangan talaga namin ng locker para mapag-iwanan namin yung mga bag namin. So ito, guys, lahat ng bag na dala namin, and of course, guys, yung mga check-in bag namin or mga check-in luggage is nilagyan namin siya ng mga cover kasi, guys, alam naman natin sa airport talagang madudumihan yung mga bagahe natin kasi ihahagis lang yan doon. So ayan, binili namin to sa Shopee. So ayun, guys, lahat. And also, guys, ito pala yung backpack ko. Ito yung palagi kong dala-dala. Pero, guys, sobrang bigat nito kasi laman nito is puro gadget, puro mga accessories para sa mga iPhones or sa mga phones namin or even sa camera. Dito yung mga chargers, lahat-lahat ng mga accessories and yung mga electronics or yung mga gadget. And eto pala, guys, yung Tokyo Station. And si Daisy naman is andun, pumipila si Daisy doon kasi bibili siya ng IC card para magamit namin dito sa mga lockers. And, guys, tignan yung mga lockers nila, sobrang cute. Ayan, merong ganyan na painting yung mga lockers nila. Sobrang cute, guys. And dito mo lang isa-scan yung yung IC card. Dito naman sa kabila, may nakalagay dito na yen na sign. So pwede kayo makapag-pay dyan ng cash. Dito naman, guys, is IC card lang tinatanggap sa color white na locker.
So we're gonna put our luggage in the coin locker.
1,000 yen yung kanyang price.
And need nyo ng IC card, guys. So, bumili pa ako ng Suica card dun sa JR ticket office. Ayun. And then, meron din si Jude. And then, yung isa dito naman. Luggage number 2. Language. English. And then, place.
Follow the procedure for operation.
Ayan.
And the
So, just
location
confirm.
is correct. Tap the confirm button.
Confirm.
You will need your smart card when you retrieve your baggage. Please be careful not to lose it. Touch your
Ayan. Suica. Card balance.
Take your statement of use.
Oh. There.
Thank you.
Yay! Tatlong luggage yung nilagay namin, guys. Isa dito, and then isa dito. Tapos dito, guys, 800 yen lang siya kasi small lang na luggage. Yung pang hand carry lang. Yung mga large, tig 1,000. Very convenient. So, guys, nakalabas na kami ng Shibuya Station. So, nag-struggle pa kami naghanap, guys, sa Hachiko exit.
Kasi iba-iba yung exit nila, guys. Kailangan mo talagang tignan yung mga signage. Kasi unlike sa Korea, I think, or sa Hong Kong, na same lang yung exit. Tapos, andun na isa-isa yung mga particular na exit. Pero
Yeah.
dito, guys, hiwalay-hiwalay sila. So, kailangan nyo talagang i-check.
At my back, guys, that's the Hachiko statue.
Yeah.
So, that's the loyal dog na, kung nakita niyo yung movie na Hachiko, so, yun yan, guys. Pero mamaya na kami magpapapicture dyan kasi gutom na kami. It's currently 12:41 PM and then wala pa kaming breakfast and lunch.
Yeah. So, kain muna kami guys and dami ding mga tao guys. I think hindi kami makapag-picture dyan pero check lang natin mamaya kung makapag-picture tayo. So, ayan. Kain muna tayo. Let's go! So, ayan na guys yung sikat na Shibuya Crossing.
Grabe, ang dami palang tao talaga.
Daming tao guys. Sobrang busy tignan. So yung binili naming food kanina guys is nilagay muna namin dito sa microwave para maging mainit siya. And nandito kami ngayon sa Family Mart. Kasi nagmamadali kami guys. Sobrang haba ng pila sa Ichiran Bib, no? 1 hour pa yung waiting time, di ba? So ayan, dito muna tayo guys. Ayan, tapos na. So yan guys, nakikikain lang kami dito sa Starbucks kasi wala kaming maupuan doon sa Family Mart. Nahabol namin ngayon yung Shinkansen namin na trip. Kain muna tayo, let's go. Tapos umorder na rin kami guys ng white mocha para hindi naman masyadong nakakahiya dito.
So nandito na kami guys sa car number 14 sa waiting area. So it's currently 2:45 PM and then yung ride namin guys is 3 PM. So nag-wait na lang kami dito. Tapos by the way guys, yung Shinkansen ticket pala namin, binuko siya sa Klook. Super lang guys, dali. As in hassle free kasi instead na mag-line up ka pa doon, kukuha ka ng ticket and then they will give you a QR code and then yung QR code yung isa-scan mo. And then ito, may lalabas na ganito na ticket. Dito yung seat number mo and then ganon.
Para siyang boarding pass. No, para siyang boarding pass.
So yung guys, yung kinuha ko na ticket pa lang guys sa Shinkansen is reserve. Tapos nag-reserve ako ng oversized luggage kasi pag hindi ka nag-reserve, so magbabayad ka ng additional 1,000 yen per luggage.
Tapos kailangan 30 minutes before nandito na kayo sa car number ninyo. So yung car number namin is nasa 14. And isa pa, sobrang mahal guys.
Mahal.
Medyo mahal siya, medyo pricey siya.
Yung
kaya
guys, yung Shinkansen na nabook ko sa Klook, nasa around 5,000. Yung nabayaran ko sa dalawa na is 12,403. Discounted na yun guys.
Kung gusto nyo maka-discount guys, if ever pupunta kayo ng Japan, better use our code para may additional discounts pa kayo. So just use our code. That's Daisy Klook. So ayan. That's I think 5% off, no? 5% off. So yeah. Let's go.
Supposed to be guys, di ba 3 PM yung sasakyan namin na Nozomi 233. Tapos 2:30 pa lang guys, nandun na kami sa waiting area, nakalagay car number 14. Tapos guys, ang dami pa lang mga car number 14 guys. So ibang platform yung tinayuan namin doon. Kaya ayun. But good thing na you can still ride the next train going to Shin Osaka if you have ticket. But the bad news is nasa unreserved seat ka na guys. Ayun. Pero nakaseat naman kami dun sa sa Mount Fuji na side. So yeah, paswertehan lang talaga guys. So kanina hindi na kami nag-vlog kasi parang it's very exhausting ganon. So nadaanan na namin yung Nagoya and then Kyoto and then last is sa Shin Osaka. So update na lang kami guys later pagdating namin sa Shin Osaka station. So, yay! We're here!